Hey, welcome back. Um, Now, in this episode, we are going to talk about cardio. All right, cardio is my favorite. One reason is because it's the most challenging. I like challenging shit, and I don't know if I might cut that out. I want to be professional, but also I want to be real as well. It's challenging, but you also begin to see a lot of weight loss after this. You start burning a lot of fat because you start burning more calories. In addition to already cutting your calories and doing the workouts, such as weightlifting. Okay. Um, and there's two types of cardio that you can do: steady state cardio or HIIT cardio, which is high intensity interval training. In this program, I only talk about steady state. In my past experience, I found that HIIT cardio really is hard to get your heart rate up and get you like that effective fat burning. Studies show otherwise, but to make things simple and easy, just go on a cardio machine and get your heart rate up. Start burning the fat. Um, because if you're in this program, you're probably new to all this information, new to the fitness life, because it is a lifestyle. So, um, steady state is the easier route to go. Okay. Later, you get more advanced. You pass this program. You want to learn some more. Go into HIIT cardio. Right. It's pretty fun. But to make things simple, fast, and effective, let's do steady state cardio. All right. I mostly want to do 30 to 45 minutes of cardiovascular training 5 times a week. If you want, you go six, but I don't recommend it. You wanna do enough to where you get weight loss, but not too much where you're like exhausted. But hey, if you can do it, that's your choice. And there's different types of equipment that you can use. You can use a stairmaster, treadmill, elliptical, a cycling bike. Even a row machine, but you have to make sure you have a monitor that gives you your heart rate. So you can if a machine doesn't have one, you can buy a heart rate monitor. There's watches that have them. You could buy one of those on Amazon, and yeah, have one. The prices vary, so I'm not gonna say that they cost a certain amount. So you check that out in Amazon. Yeah, those are some of them. All right. And this is how you find your heart rate. So there's a fat burning heart rate you want to target. The standard is the standard formula is 0.75 of your highest heart rate. To find this, you subtract 220. So write that down, 220 on a piece of paper. I'll wait 5 seconds. So get your notes ready. All right, so you get 220 minus your age, and you multiply that times 0.75. That is the heart rate you want to reach. So make sure you hit that heart rate. Go a little bit above if you like. Don't go below. So we are certain that you're burning your heart rate. You are burning fat with that heart rate. You could also do 0.65, 6 to 75, but let's do the high point just to be sure. Let's burn that fat. You with me? Hell yeah. All right. Now, that's the end of this video. Comment below what your fat burning heart rate is. Okay, write it down below and write it in your notes. All right. So now you have your calories, your macros, the list of foods that you like, your shopping list. Now you have your cardio heart rate. You're almost there. You're ready to go. Actually, oh no, we got to talk a little bit about a few other things. But go on to the next video, and I'll see you there.